I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to check your SSD write and read speeds in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First of all, go on and search for your command. You will see the first one. Right click and run as administrator. Click on yes. Then search for winsat space disk. If you want to check your main SSD, which is if you want to check your main SSD, you can just write that command and click on enter. But if you want to check another SSD, which is not the main one, just click on space, write dash drive and the name as example D in my case, then click on enter. Wait a little bit. My SSD with the name D has the read speed 500 megabyte and the write speed with also 500 megabyte per second. Let's check the main one, which is the local disk C. We just have to write winsat disk and enter. Let's wait a little bit also. And as you can see, the speed of my local C disk is for the read over 1000 megabyte per second and the write speed is over 300 megabyte per second. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.